Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add or remove user accounts in Windows 11. And for this we go left in the bottom to start and then click here on settings, and then right now we go to accounts. Then right here scroll down where you find other users, please click on that, and then right now you can find here all your user accounts. Now first of all we want to add an account, so then we click on add account. And then right now you need to fill in your Microsoft details, so you can do that if you want that. But if you just want to create an account, click then on I don't have this person sign in information. Then after this we click on add a user without a Microsoft account. And then right now you can fill in your username and your password. So please do this if you want to add an account, and if you want to delete an account, then you click here on this arrow and then just click here on remove. Then right now it says deleting this person account will remove all their data from this PC. If you are sure that you want to remove all your data, then click on delete account and data. So these are the two options how you can add or remove a user account in Windows 11. Hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.